everyone, and welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. Alright, today I just wanted to show you a real quick way you can use up these cheap canvas panels. And what I do is, after the painted papers, it's photo paper that I have put fluid acrylics on the shiny side. After that's all dry, you can glue it onto the canvas panels, and it's a great way to use those up, real cheap little projects. I use this matte medium to glue it onto the surfaces. Or then, like, for example, here's a canvas I had done a paint pour on, and it just did not turn out, so I went ahead and just painted it gold in the background. And then I've cut this out with my Cricut die cutting machine, and it just says Christmas there. And then I will glue it on with the matte Liquitex matte medium. So that's a great way to use up your canvas boards, your cheap little boards, or also a great way to use up those pours that maybe didn't turn out the greatest, and you can just paint over it a solid color or paint a background in, and then use your photo paper that you've painted on. Once it's all dry, put it through the Cricut machine and cut out a nice little pretty design. And there's so many designs to pick from. I've done some Christmas scenes, and you can cut this out and adhere it to a background and make a nice little holiday wall decor. All right, thank you so much for joining me, and Merry Christmas.